Gurdeva online classes. My dear students, in the previous class, we were discussing about prehistory, history, and proto-history, isn't it? As we also learnt about evolution of early humans. As we already learnt about four stages of evolution of early humans. Okay, as could you say what are the four important stages of early humans? Yes, there are four. Those are hominid, Homo habilis, Homo erectus, and Homo sapien. Yes, yes. Could you say what is history? Yes, history is a systematic study of important facts and events that took place in the past. But while the reading was used to record the events, that period we called history. Okay, yes, it is also one of the another statement. Okay, yes, then what is proto-history? The period between the history and the prehistory, that is we called as proto-history. Okay, students, as it is all about in the previous classes. Previous classes, let's we can see a very interesting about the life of early humans. So let's begin today class about the life of early man. Okay. Yes. Yes, my dear students, the early man in the first stage, they did not know how to grow the crops and food. Then they did not know how to use the tools. For example, axes and stone spears. Okay, then what we use tools is nothing but weapons. Okay, or samanugulu. Okay, yes, they did not know how to use the tools. Those are made by a stone because of they did not know the copper or iron or other metals. So that is why they were using only stone materials. Okay, stone tools. For example, axe, kodale, then kudugolu, then other barchi. Okay, what we call these are all are made by the stones. Okay, but they did not know how to use these all tools in the time of early humans. Yes, my dear students, the early humans they did not know how to grow the food crops, especially we are using what we eating. Okay, we are a modern man. They are well known about the growing of crops like nuts. Okay, ground nuts, then ragi, jowar. Okay, then other crops are growing well now, but they did not know these crops, these food crops. So that is why they every day they depend on hunting. Okay, yes, but in the beginning stage they did not know. Okay, how to grow the crops and how to use the tools. Then they ate some of the food. Okay, some of the food, some fruits. Okay, yes, what are those? We will see now. Okay, yes, my dear friends, they ate the early humans in the beginning stage. They ate wild yam. Okay, yes, what is mean by yam? Yam is nothing but genasu. Okay, yes, we know the food item. Okay, that is yam is genasu. That is available in the forest. Okay, in the time of early humans, but in the modern day we are growing it. Okay, yes, wild yam. Okay, yes, then berries is nothing but fruits. Okay, then nuts ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೀಜಗಳು. Okay, yes, berries, nuts and fruits and raw insects, fish, meat. Okay, these are all are the food items in the time of early humans. The early humans ate wild yam, berries, nuts, fruits, raw insects. You know the insects. Many insects are there in the jungle, in the sense in the forest. They hunt these raw in the sense siyada. Okay, yes, they hunt the some of the insects and he ate these important food items. Okay, students, yes, they also ate by fish and meat. Okay, yes, meat also ate by hunting. Okay, these are some of the food items of in the time of early humans. Then, my dear students, the early man used some weapons. Yes, what are those? We shall see. Okay, yes, my dear students, they used some of the bones and arms. Okay, bones and arms of animals while hunting. Okay, after hunting they collect the bones. Okay, sometime they were also collecting some of the remains of fossils of the animals like bone andre ಎಲುಬುಗಳು. Okay, yes, bones and arms is nothing but ಕೊಂಬುಗಳು. Okay, is they as used as a weapons. Then they also used some of the stones and branches of the trees as used as a weapons. Okay, stones, I already said stones. By the stones they made as an axe. Okay, ಕೊಡಲಿಗಳನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಮತ್ತೆ ಬರ್ಚಿ. Okay, yes, then they also use some of the branches of tree. Okay, some branches ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೊಂಬೆಗಳನ್ನ they also use as a weapons. Yes, what are the weapons of the early humans? Bones and arms of animals, then stones and branches of the trees. Okay, these are the weapons in the time of early humans. Okay, they ate wild yam, berries, nuts, fruits, raw insects, and fish and meat. These are the very important food item. Okay, these were the very important food item in the time of early humans. Okay, students. Yes, dear students, we can see about the hunters and gatherers. Yes, my dear students, the early humans we also called as hunters and gatherers because the early humans depended on hunting animals and gathering the food items like fruits and nuts from tree or root plants. So this is the reason we called as early man was a hunter and gatherer. Okay, yes, totally the life is depend on hunting the animals because of there is no way you want to fulfill the hungry. Okay, yes, so that is why you should hunt in every day. Okay, yes, so the life is throughout life is going on through the hunting the animals. Okay, hunting ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇಟೆಯಾಡುವುದು. Okay, yes, the early humans depended hunting the animals and gathering the food items like fruits, nuts from tree or root plants. So that is why we called as early humans were hunters and gatherers. Okay, students, yes, gathering in a sense they collected many various type of yams. Okay, yam, then fruits, nuts, then other fish, other items. Okay, so that is why it was the leading of the way of life of the early man. Okay, yes, let's see another feature of early humans, that is nomads. They were nomads because of they lived a short time in the one particular place. Okay, then they moved from another place to for searching of food and various purpose. So that is why he did not lead in a particular place. Okay, for his life. So that is why we called as nomads. Okay, in ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲೆಮಾರಿಗಳು ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Okay, yes, because of they did not lead life in a proper place. How we are leading our life in a proper and native or a place. Okay, yes, so the reason why we called early humans as nomads. Okay, sometime we are observing in our day to day life some of people are they are begging some foods. Okay, they were leading in some place after they moved one place to another. So that is why that mans we called as nomads. Okay, as it is also one of the feature of life of early humans. Okay, students. Yes, then, my dear students, the early man, they did not know how to speak. Okay, but he could express their feelings through the hand gestures and signs. Okay, yes, sometime we are using like that, we are using some hand gestures like that they were using in the time of life of early humans. Then one more thing is he protected some of the occasions of heavy rain, then harsh winter. Okay, harsh in the sense extreme cold. Okay, Kariwa chali. Okay, yes, these all occasions protected by the caves. Okay, he was living in the caves because of he protected from extreme situations. Then they also protected from the wild animals like a tiger, then lion, other wild animals. So that is why he was living in the caves. That is the most reason they were living in the caves. Okay. Then while he was living in the caves, they drew some of the paintings about his life. Okay, yes, he used used him some of the pictures all about his life, and they use some paintings on the wall of the cave. Yes, these are the main sources while we are studying about the early humans. Okay, these are the some of the evidences. Okay, yes, by through this we studying about the early man. Okay, students, then they only use the stone tools. Okay, as it is all about the life of early man. Then next we will see about how they discovered the tools. Okay, how they hunting. Okay, what are the tools they were using in the hunting time. Okay, yes, we will see. Okay, as what you learned here, they ate yams, berries and nuts, fruits, then fish. These are all are ate by the humans. Then in the beginning, they were no art of growing of the food cracks. Okay, yes, they don't know the how to use. They did not know how to use the tools. Then they were hunters and gatherers because of the throughout the life in on hunting animals and gathering the food items. So that is why we called as hunters and gatherers. Then they we also called nomads because of they were not leading life in a particular place. Okay, yes, it is all about a life of early humans. Dear students, we shall move on your next concept, that is discovery of tools. Yes, what is mean by discovery? Discovery is nothing but find out. How they find out the tools. Tools is nothing but samanu or equipments or weapons. Okay, yes, my dear students. Initially, when the early man started hunting, he could hunt only a small animals such as a rabbit, then rats, then other small forest cats, then a deer. Okay, as these first choice of the early man. Okay, yes, because of he did not know how to hunt, okay, in the beginning time, but they were learned in many things in day by day. Then they afraid of the animals, so that is why they were hunt. They could hunt only a small animals. Then in the beginning they hunt only men. Then afterwards they also men and women. Okay, men and women they were hunting in the groups. Then they also able to hunt the larger animals in the groups because of they knew about the some of the tools. Okay, students. As at the first they were using some of the tools. Those are sharp stones and sharp edged wood. Okay, these are the starting weapons. starting tools of early man, okay, early human. Then they were hunting from the distance because of they panic. They were panic about the wild animals. So that is why they used sharp stones, okay, sharp stones and ಚೂಪಾದ ಕಲ್ಲುಗಳಿಂದ, ಓಕೆ, ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ವೆಪನ್ಸ್. ದೆನ್ ಚೂಪಾದ ಮರದ ಕೊಂಬೆಗಳಿಂದ, ಓಕೆ, ಶಾರ್ಪ್ ಎಡ್ಜ್ಡ್ ವುಡ್, ದೆನ್ ಶಾರ್ಪ್ ಸ್ಟೋನ್ಸ್. These are like birchi, what we call birchi, then axe, okay. Yes, these totally made by the wood and the stone, because of they did not know the idea of any metal. So that is why they were using sharp stones and sharp edged wood. These are the starting weapons or tools of the early humans. Yes, after that, in the sense later, they used a stone tipped spears, okay. These are nothing but barchigalu. Those are made by the stones. Those are very sharp, okay students. Then arrows. Then arrows is nothing but banagalu, okay. Arrows, axe, okay, axes in the sense kodaligalu. Then knives, okay, like chaku, okay, those are made by the stones. Then bones, okay, those are also used as a weapons or tools, okay. As these were used in the hunting time by the early humans. Totally, my dear students, this discovery of life made life easier. History, in the history, this period recorded as a stone age, okay. Yes, by the historians. Yes, my dear students, the historians are very important. They referred as a discovery of the tools as referred as a stone age, okay. Yes, my dear students, the stone age we again divided into the three important names, okay. Those are Paleolithic and Mesolithic and Neolithic, okay. By this we will study about the stone age, okay. We will be learning in your higher classes, okay. Yes, my dear students, it is all about discovery of the tools, okay. Yes, sharp stones, sharp edged wood, then stone tipped spear, arrows, axes, knives, then stone, bones, okay. These are all the very important tools in the time of early humans, okay. They were first hunt only small animals. Later they were hunting through the groups, okay. Yes, the men and women, okay. Yes, it is all about discovery of the tool. Discovery is nothing but find out. Yes, my dear students, it is all about today class, okay. Yes, in this today's class we learnt about gatherers and hunters, okay. Then they ate some of the berries and yams, fruits, then fish. These are all are. They drew some of the paintings in the cave. Cave is the shelter of in the early humans time, because it was to protect from the harsh winter. Harsh is nothing but extreme, andre koreyuva chali, okay. Then they also protected from the weather. Then some of the wild animals, okay. Then they were used as some of the skin animals and leaves for purpose of some cold, okay. They protect from the cold from these things, okay. But we are using cloths. As instead of cloths, they did not idea about the cloths. So that is why they were using some of the leaves and barks of trees, okay. Andre some of the part of the tree. These are all are using in the time of early humans, okay. As it is all about today class. As thanks for watching. We will meet you on next concept in your lesson, that is life of early man, okay students. Yes, thank you so much for watching.